Welcome back to African Secrets. Today we're exploring 3 incredible African teas, discussing their benefits and disadvantages. Let's dive right in. Hi, I'm Laura.
Hi, and I'm her husband, Paul.
We are Sub-Saharan Africans, and this is African Secrets. 1. KINKALEBA Tea Combretum micranthum. First up is KINKALEBA tea, made from the leaves of the KINKALEBA plant, scientifically known as Combretum micranthum, which is commonly found in West Africa. Benefits. KINKALEBA tea is rich in antioxidants and is known for its anti-inflammatory properties. It may help boost the immune system and improve overall health. This tea has been traditionally used to aid digestion and relieve stomach issues. It's also believed to have liver protective properties and may support detoxification. Disadvantages. While KINKALEBA is generally safe for most people, some may experience mild digestive discomfort if consumed in large quantities. Limited research is available on potential interactions with medications, so it's best to consult a healthcare provider if you have any concerns. 2. Hibiscus tea, Hibiscus sabdarifa. Next, we have hibiscus tea, made from the dried petals of the hibiscus flower, scientifically known as Hibiscus sabdarifa, commonly found in many African regions. Benefits. Hibiscus tea is known for its vibrant red color and tart flavor. It may help lower blood pressure and support heart health. It's rich in vitamin C and antioxidants, boosting the immune system and promoting overall health. This tea can aid digestion and may help with weight management. Disadvantages. Drinking too much hibiscus tea may lower blood pressure excessively, so individuals with low blood pressure should consume it cautiously. It may also interact with certain medications, particularly those for high blood pressure and diabetes. 3. Ginger tea, Zingiber officinale. Lastly, we have ginger tea, made from the rhizome of the ginger plant, scientifically known as Zingiber officinale, a popular choice across Africa for its warming properties. Benefits. Ginger tea is well known for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. It can help relieve digestive issues and nausea. It may also boost the immune system and provide relief from colds and flu symptoms. Ginger tea can improve blood circulation, which may be beneficial for heart health. Disadvantages. Excessive consumption of ginger may cause heartburn or stomach upset in some individuals. People on blood-thinning medications should consult a healthcare provider before consuming large amounts of ginger. But do not leave just yet. Paul has a wonderful news for you all.
Thank you, Laura. So there you have it, 3 wonderful African teas with their unique benefits and some considerations to keep in mind. If you're interested in enhancing your health even further, we have an exciting announcement. We're releasing an ebook filled with African recipes designed to boost heart health, female libido, and male sex drive. The best part? You can grab this valuable resource for just $2.99. Don't miss out on the chance to explore these delicious recipes that celebrate the rich culinary heritage of Africa. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to African Secrets for more natural remedies and tips. Until next time, embrace the secrets of nature.